Hello everyone and welcome. A few weeks back, my brother-in-law asked if I would help him do some demolition work around his house. He wants to do some remodeling, and that always starts with demo work. I agreed to help him until he mentioned that we were going to be doing a lot of the demo work using hand tools. That's when I told him this was not going to work out. I informed him that a smart worker works smarter, not harder. And for the type of work that he wanted to do, I suggested we get a Bauer Rotary hammer drill. Being cheap, he didn't want to spend the money for a DeWalt or a Milwaukee, but I was able to talk him into buying this Bauer Rotary hammer drill from Topshak. I also added the condition that if he wanted my help, he first had to allow me to do a review of this tool to share with my viewers. So today, we're going to be looking at this bad boy from Topshak. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Now this is a Bauer Rotary hammer drill like you see from Topshak. Let me pull this puppy out of here. There you go. And it comes in a nice storage case, a nice hard plastic storage case. Let me pull everything out of here. We'll keep on going. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Bauer Rotary hammer drill from Topshak, available on Banggood, link in description below. Now at the time of making this video, this kit retails for $86.99, which is a real bargain when you compare it to other kits like Ryobi, DeWalt, Milwaukee, which will range anywhere from $200 up to $500 or more. So you get a lot for your money in this case right here. So what do you get when you open this box up? Well, you get the hammer drill itself. You get the owner's manual that tells you everything about the unit. I suggest you read through that. And basically what you get is you get a ruler or depth gauge. And in this case, it is made out of metal, which is really good. A lot of these units, the depth gauge is made out of plastic. So this one, you don't need to worry about it breaking on you. You get a drill chuck. You get the key for the drill chuck. You actually get some spare carbons, which is rare these days. Most companies won't even put that in. You get a couple of different chisels, you get 3 different masonry drill bits, and you get a wrench for opening up the grease pot up here at the top, which I'll show you in just a little bit. Now the dimensions on this unit are 15 inches in length, 10 inches in height, and 3 inches in depth. The warranty on this unit is 12 months, and this guy weighs 10.9 pounds, or 11 pounds. It is not a lightweight, it is a heavy-duty unit. This guy has a 1500 watt motor that you can select 6 different speeds so you can put out anywhere from 0 to 920 RPMs. Now the hammer on this unit can put out up to 6 joules of impact energy, and the impact rate is 4100 BPMs or beats per minute. The maximum drilling diameter on this unit is 1/2 inch for metal, and the maximum drilling diameter is 1¼ inches for concrete. It has a 360-degree rotating soft grip handle and a dust-proof bottom to prevent the motor from getting all dusty and gunked up with all the debris that you're going to be kicking up with this unit. It has an SDS Plus chuck for easy bit changes, and it has a double-layer anti-vibration system back here. As you can see, both top and bottom are anti-vibration to protect your hands, your wrist, your arms, and so forth from fatigue. It also has a safety clutch which prevents wrist damage from jams or high torque forces. It has a 4-position drill which you can select different things like drilling for wood or metal, hammer for concrete, brick, stone, marble, granite, masonry, metal, etc., rotary hammer and drill for heavy duty work, and for chisel adjustment. So all of those things you can select with this switch right here. So this guy right here is great for demolition work, taking down masonry walls, drilling into wood, concrete, masonry, metal, chiseling floor tiles, wood planks, or any heavy-duty drilling or hammering that you want to do. This guy can do just about anything that you want it to do. And as far as the chuck goes, like I said, it's an SDS Plus chuck, and to put any of the bits in it, you can see it has a special shape at the back there, where basically you put it into the bit, you basically just push it in and twist, and that's how you put these guys in there. And you can do drilling with this chuck or this chuck, because you can get drill bits, like in this case, which are made for the SDS chuck, or if you can't find a drill for whatever it is that you want to do, if your drill doesn't have this adapter on the back for the SDS chuck, then you put in this drill chuck, into the head, and then you're able to use just about any kind of drill bit you want to use. So we're going to be testing all this out in just a little bit, but it does have a lot of versatility. Use the one chuck or the other chuck, so you can put in just about any kind of bits you want to use with this unit. And it is a real heavy duty chuck. This chuck is really quite heavy, so it should hold up to just about anything out there. So let's test this puppy out and see how it performs. Alright guys, so we're going to test this puppy out and see how it performs under a couple different situations, but a couple of things I wanted to point out so you can get more familiar with the unit. Like I said, this handle here does rotate 360 degrees. You can put it all the way up, top, bottom, sideways, anywhere you want. You loosen the knob up here and rotate it to any angle you want, whatever's convenient for you, so you can have better control over the machine itself. This switch right here, like you see, it rotates to a few different selections, so you can pick whatever you want to do. Right now I have it set to drill and hammer because we're going to be doing some masonry testing right now. And as you see up here, that is the grease pot up there, where basically you can undo that cover right there and grease it up real good so you keep all your internals in proper working condition. And the electrical cord, I measured the electrical cord, and on this unit, it is 6.5 feet long. So that's a really good long cord that it has. And it's a nice rubbery type of texture to it. So it's not your typical cheap material that fights you at every step of the way. It's very rubbery and loose, so it's very easy to work with. So that's a good convenient feature right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some masonry test. And I put in the masonry drill that comes with it, the biggest drill that it has. And I realized that basically the biggest concrete slab that I have is only 4 inches in depth. So I decided to use this brick instead. This is an 8-inch brick, so it's a good thick brick to drill through. And we're going to be doing a masonry test with that right now. So I'm going to drill into the side of it so it goes in the entire depth of the drill itself. And we'll see exactly how this puppy performs. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And that guy went through it like a hot knife through butter. No resistance whatsoever. It really ate it up very well. You can see that. Did a fantastic job. Let's do it from the top down. There you go. Went through that with no effort whatsoever. All right, guys. So I inserted the additional drill chuck so we can use any type of drill we want. And I'm going to be using a spade bit drill, the biggest one that I have, 1 1/8. And we're going to be drilling into this piece of wood right here, and we'll see how it performs. One thing also I didn't mention earlier is you can see right here, there is your speed selector right there. You have 6 different speeds that you can pick, so you can choose what is best for your given project. So let's drill into this big chunk of wood. This is a 6x6 chunk of wood, 6 inches by 6 inches, and it is solid, as you can see, pretty far back. So let's see how it performs drilling into this big puppy right here. Let's go. And there you go, guys. It buried it into that guy. There you see how deep that went, all the way into that block of wood. All the way into there. So that was pretty darn good. So this guy can tackle just about anything. There's your block of wood right there, so you can see exactly how it drilled all the way into that guy. You can see that is a really big block of wood, and it drilled it all the way in there. So that's a real good size right there. All right, guys, let's have a little fun doing some chiseling. I switched over to the chisel bit, and then you see right here on the selector switch, I switched it over to hammer. So no more drilling. We're going to be doing some hammering away. Let's tear apart this brick and have a little bit of fun with it. I know it's not going to have any trouble. Let's just do it for fun. And there you go. It tore it apart with no trouble whatsoever. All right, guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of the Topshak Power Rotary Hammer Drill. I think this is a really good hammer drill for the money. If you're planning on doing some heavy-duty drilling and hammering into masonry, metal, brick, wood, or just about any kind of demo work, I think you should look into this unit. It's half the price of the name brands, but it packs a lot of power and features for the money. One thing also that I thought about as I was using this is that for you guys that don't have air hammers for automotive use, this guy works perfectly as a power hammer for some automotive applications, such as working on suspension parts and so forth. I'm sure you guys can come up with a lot more uses for this than what I have showed you here today. Check out the Banggood website for full details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.